Pollution abatement and rejuvenation of river Ganga is always a very challenging task, and it's a massive task. And if you look at the progress in last 5 years, there is lot of satisfaction as we have been improving. The program has gathered momentum, and water quality also has improved. And we have got entire stretch of Ganga and all the monitoring stations reporting that dissolved oxygen is within permissible limit, actually more than 5 milligram per liter. BOD has also improved. In fact, entire Uttarakhand stretch qualifies in all respect, and everywhere there has been improvement. So that really gives us lot of satisfaction, and not only water quality, several other indicators also we are looking at improvement in river Ganga. We have several agreements and several international collaboration, and this you said German methodology, it's called PTB, that's one of them. We have a very large collaboration with India and European Union water partnership. So Ganga is one of the important priority area. Similarly, we have very strong collaboration with GIZ and several new areas we are working with them. This present project which on the metrology, primarily idea is to improve standards of water quality monitoring, because see, ultimately whatever interventions we do, the outcome will be improvement in water quality, and unless we have very good international standards of monitoring that, it will not be a very good thing. So we are actually working with Central Pollution Control Board, State Pollution Control Boards, and trying to look at the international standards and where we are and how we can further standardize, further improve. This is a technical area, different types of parameters, different indicators are there for water quality, and how the international practice is there to measure them, right from sampling to analysis and then laboratory and equipments. So that project covers all of them. We have also set up a Center for Ganga Management and Studies in IIT Kanpur. So with the help of this mission is again one of the mission where we are actually constantly in touch with academics, and through that Center for Ganga Basin Management and Studies, we are interacting with several other academic institutions across the globe, and then the researchers, and trying to bring the real the latest technology into this mission. The key learning from this project, if we have to look at, this has been a challenging journey, but this has also been a very satisfying journey, and then that satisfaction comes out of our success in delivering various projects, changing timelines, compressing the timeline for project execution, and creating a kind of consciousness among people. So the public outreach, the public participation has been increasing day by day, and then that's very important, because in the long run that is something which will really keep it clean. Cleaning is one way, but keeping it clean is another challenge. So we are moving in that direction. Technology has been very good. We have been able to get global players into our projects, and then construction work has started. We have done several things on bringing GIS and several cutting edge technology, the big data, the data analysis we are trying to improve. The artificial intelligence related things we are now looking at in several applications, how we can bring in. And in the wetland conservation, I see role of this technology playing a great, having a great potential. So I think the rejuvenation of springs in Uttarakhand or the hilly area, technology will play a very important role. We are also using technology, not only this, we are doing apart from GIS mapping, we are doing microbial mapping of the entire length of Ganga. Again, we are using GIS to do cultural mapping of Ganga and bring all those cultural heritage sites on the GIS platform. So I mean there are unlimited possibility of use of technology and using them in the Ganga rejuvenation, and primarily we are actually successfully creating a model for river rejuvenation in the country, so that other rivers also we can follow similar model and work in future.